2140, I think that is an awesome, awesome cluster. I think that it shouldn't be restricted to just communications majors. I think that it'll be so beneficial as far as, being able to learn how to do constructive speeches, how to do your position speeches, and so forth. At one point or another, we're going to have to communicate with people, with other people, whether it's 500 people, whether it's 10,000 people, whether it's 5 people. I think that it's very, very important to be able to relay a message, to deliver a message. And even if it's a law or a policy that you want to have change, this particular class, it gives you the tools to work with. It gives you the tools to know how to do a constructive, whatever the situation is, it give you the tools. And I think that it'll be beneficial, and not just to communication majors. I think that it should be beneficial for as far as the law, they have to, because the whole point is to persuade. The whole point is to persuade. The debate of Opelousas was awesome. It's whether you're sitting on the affirmative side of the debate or whether you're sitting on the negative side of the debate. It's a way for you the whole point is to just persuade, be able to, regardless of if you believe it or not. It's a tool that you can use that to persuade people to think the way you think, to feel the way you think, even if you don't have that belief. But it's just the idea of the point is it's just to persuade someone to think the way you think. And I think that it's an awesome, awesome cluster, and everyone should take it. Lawyers, business owners, and such as myself. I think that it gives you a tool to be able to express yourself if you want to talk about, or if it's a certain policy or a certain law that you want to have changed. I think that they give you all of the tools that you need, and I think that it'll be beneficial, because at one point or another you're going to have to communicate with a lot of people, whether it's a small amount of people, whether it's a large amount of people, you're going to have to communicate. And with this particular course, it's awesome. It was well written, it was well scripted, and you're going to learn something. When you leave this course, you're going to be able to take something with you that's going to benefit you in your life, in all different facets of your life. Whether you're talking at a funeral or talking to a room full of people, you'll be able to have the tools that you need to convey your message, to deliver your message. And a certain thought, your train of thought, you'll be able to do that. And I like the critical thinking part, because it makes you critically think. Even though our topics that we were doing with our debates, they were so complex, but by the same token, you still on either the affirmative side of the debate or the negative side of the debate, you can understand and feel the viewpoints coming, regardless if you believe them or not. But I think this is an excellent, excellent program, and I think that it shouldn't be just restricted to communication majors. I think all majors should take this course.